Our source here is from depedclub.com. So, like I always say, hindi po ito yung exact test nyo. These are just practice, multiple choice questions po. But it will be a good reviewer, okay, for you. So, let's continue with number 21. So, a learner arranged these numbers in ascending order. So, we have 0.60, 2/3, 65%, and 0.70. So, what error did the learner make? Okay, so if we have fractions and then percentage, mas okay po na gawin nyo muna silang decimals para mas madali nyo i-compare. Okay, so yung ating 2/3, that is also the same with 2 divided by 3. And 2 divided by 3 po, that is a repeated decimal which is 0.66666. Or let's say it is just 0.67. Okay, and then 65%, kapag i-change nyo siya into decimal, 2 decimal place going to the left po. Okay, so we'll have your 0.65. Ayan, so sabi dito ay ascending. So ascending is from least to greatest. So we have 0.60. Ayan, yung sunod niyang number na nilagay is 0.67, tapos 0.65. So dapat 0.65 muna bago 0.67. So it's letter B. 65% should come before 2/3. Okay, two learners compare 0.48 and 1/2. Anna says 1/2 is equal to 0.5. So 0.48 is less than 1/2. Ben says 48 is greater than 1. So 0.48 is greater than 1/2. So which evaluation is correct? Okay, so of course, correct po yung 0.48 is less than 1/2, which is Anna. Okay, so 22, that is A. Anna is correct because she compared equivalent decimal forms. Okay, ayan. So again, mas okay po na gagawin yung decimal yung mga given. 23. You are designing a number line display for 25%, 0.5, 3/4 between 0 and 1. Which plan would produce an accurate display? Okay, so 25% again, that is 0.25. Okay, 3/4, again, that is 3 divided by 4, which will be equal to 0.75. Okay, so 23, place them at 0.25, 0.50, and 0.75 from left to right. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 3/5? Okay, so when you say reciprocal, changing yung ating numerator and denominator po. So, pagpalitin nyo lang yung position niya. So, this will be 5/3. Letter B. 25. Before adding fractions with unlike denominators, what should be found first? Okay, so kailangan muna nating hanapin when you have to add po yung ating unlike denominators or unlike fractions is to find its LCD or a common denominator. Letter A. 26. Why should decimal points be aligned when adding or subtracting decimals? Okay, so to place digits with the same place value in the same column. Okay, so dapat pag tayo ay nagpa-plus or minus, dapat same place value po yung ating ina-add or subtract. Okay, and then 27, what is 3/4 plus 5/8? Ayan, so you can apply butterfly method or by finding the LCD. Just multiply across. 8 times 3, that is 24. 4 times 5 is 20 over 4 times 8, that is 32. So this will be 44 over 32. Okay, we can divide both numbers with 4. Okay, we get 11 over 8. Okay, as you can see here, yung ating po mga choices are mixed number. So just change 11/8 into mixed number. Okay, so again, kapag nag-change tayo, divide 11 divided by 8. So this will be 1, remainder 3. So B, 1 and 3/8. 28. What is 1 and 1/2 divided by 3/4? 1 and 1/2 divided by 3/4. Okay, so basic rule for our division of fractions, if it's mixed number, i-change mo na po into improper. So multiply and then plus. 2 times 1, we get 2. Plus 1, we get 3. 3 halves. Change divide into times and then reciprocal. So we'll have here 4 over 3. Cancel. We got 2 and 1. This will be 1 and 1. So 2 times 1, we got 2. Over 1, or simply a whole number 2. Letter C. 29. Lara has 5.5 meters of ribbon. She uses 1.75 meters for one project and 2.25 meters for another. How much ribbon remains? Okay, so meron daw siyang 5.5. And then, she uses 1.75 and 2.25. So, there are two ways. Pwede po na 5.5 minus 1.75 and then your answer minus ulit. Or pwedeng i-plus nyo muna tong ginamit niya. Okay? So, you can have 5.5 minus 1.75 plus 2.25. Or, again, yung isa po, 5.5 minus 1.75 minus 2.25. Ayan, so ma-minus muna, then your answer minus ulit. You'll still get the same answer. Okay, so but let's use the first one. So we got 1.75 plus 2.25. Okay, so again, you have to align it. Align the decimal point so that your place value will align also. So we got here 4. Yeah, 4.00 or just simply 4. Okay, so 5.5 minus 4, that is 1.8. Tama ba? 1.7, 9, 10. Yeah, so 5.5 minus 4. So this is 1.5. I'm sorry. I was confused kahit that there's a decimal number. 1.5. Sorry. 1.5 meters. Ayan. So when you're going to subtract that, align lang din. So since it's a whole number, so 4 will be at the bottom of 5 here. 1.5. So if you're going to subtract it from left to right, you'll get the same answer too. Okay, 30. Carlo solves 2/3 plus 1/4 this way. 2/3 plus 1/4 is equal to 3/7. What mistake did Carlo make? Okay, so 3/7. So what he did is he added yung ating numerator and denominator, which is supposedly they have to find the LCD or least common denominator. So it should be letter C. He added the denominators instead of finding a common denominator. There. So this is our part 3 for Math 7. Happy studying, everyone.